Hey, Shyla. What you doing?
Working on my fitness.
You look like you're working on your fitness.
Sure am.
To bring it to the next level, you need a Fit Roll-On.
Oh, what's that?
It's an essential oil roll-on that will help promote fitness by helping you stay away from snacking,
Oh, I need that.
giving you the energy and motivation you need to get that workout done.
Awesome. Show me how to make it.
So for this recipe, you need approximately 10 milliliters of almond oil and 5 drops of Fit Essential Oil Blend. So to make it, you'll open up your bottle.
Good thing you're working out. You can get that off now.
Well, you know, it's all thanks to my Fit Essential Oil roll-on. So for this, you'll just add 5 drops of Fit Essential Oil Blend, fill it the rest of the way up with almond oil, and then shake it to mix.
All right.
And then don't forget to label it. So now it's ready to use. You can apply it to your pulse points when you get the urge to snack or need the motivation for a workout, and get back to it. I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
We're certified aromatherapists, not fitness instructors.
Definitely not.
And we love teaching people how to use essential oils. For more great recipes like this one, head to blog.simplyearth.com and you'll see loads of toxin-free recipes just like this.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe now button so you can get all of these amazing things plus a big bonus box.
And so if you hit subscribe now, you'll be brought to our recipe box, which comes with 4 full-size essential oils plus 6 toxin-free recipes and the things you need to make in. This month's subscribers are getting everything they need for this month's recipe and more.
Thanks for tuning in. See you later. What? Why are you looking at me like that?